This is the Applied Suicide Intervention Training. The background on this, it is put on by a group called Living Works. They have Master Assist instructors. The Virginia Department of Criminal Justice Services facilitated this for us, and we're hosting it here at the Fairfax County Criminal Justice Academy. And what we are doing is we have a group of about 30 people. About a third of them are school resource officers, another third are school security professionals, and another third are school-based counselors, social workers, and folks with more of a clinical background. And they are working together in a workshop setting on identifying traits and hallmarks of persons who might be suicidal and looking at ways to effectively intervene and provide sort of that mental health first aid to kind of stabilize the situation, give them some options, and refer them to more long-term care. Probably one of the biggest misconceptions that's relevant here is that all suicidal people exhibit signs or tell somebody or make it known. I think one of the other things is that depressed people, many people are depressed but never become suicidal. Many people commit suicide but never exhibited symptoms of depression. And what we're looking at is finding a way to enhance people on the front line and giving them some more tools in their toolbox to provide the most effective intervention that they can.